In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a 3-step step ladder, and this is a all aluminum step ladder with hand grip. How about that, everybody? And you know what? It has a little bag with it. It's got a working bag with it. It's black, and it came in this package right here. The size on it's 112 by 5.6 by 5 point, that's all centimeters, and that's height and all that. And the weight on this thing is 4 kg. It came with a packing slip, and you know what? It's made by the company, you guys can pronounce that, J-I-X-ion, and it's the they call it the kitchen step ladder. So let me I already took it out of the package here, and I've been using it, so let me just push that aside. Look at this, everybody. Number one, you get this cool little bag with it, and this bag actually has a Velcro for going around your leg and then running your belt loop through there, and it looks like it can hold a drill, some screwdrivers, some pliers. Pretty cool little bag. You can always use those things for something. And looking over the ladder here, on the side of it, it gives you some kind of like some do's and don'ts on how to use a ladder. But you know what? If you've ever used a step ladder, you should know what's going on. Construction wise, it's got riveted in right there, and it feels very strong. And the thing that I like the most, it's super light. Look at that. This thing weighs almost nothing. And to open it up, you just pretty much push it down like this, and then stepping up. And I'll throw the specs up of the total weight on this thing, because I feel like, you can really get up high on this. And you can see how the stairs are. They are textured there, so you're not going to slip. A little grommet right there for where they rotate. I've seen a lot of ladders. I have an older step ladder that's, been pretty much wore out. And this one looks like there's not much to go wrong with it. Screws just go in the side, super solid. And then to close it up right here, everybody, you just grab it like that. I can do all that one-handed. Very easy. So yeah, look at that. It's got these little rubber feet on there too, where they won't slip. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 3-step kitchen ladder. See y'all in the next video.